Okay, on your note sheet, you should see underneath there it says an electric circuit always forms a blank. Okay, so let's look at this slide. It says electric current. That's the flow of the electric charge. I think you already know that. Okay, so when electricity is flowing, we call it a current. An electric circuit is a closed path along which an electric charge can flow. The next thing it says, an electric circuit always forms a loop. You need that word in your notes right there. The first thing in your notes. An electric circuit always forms a loop. Now, what kind of path does it? The next question says, this means the circuit is a blank path.
Closed.
We're looking for the word closed there. Okay? Let me explain that to you. In the Brain Pop video, it showed a switch opening and closing, and we're going to talk some more about switches later. But look right here. If the wire was not connected to both sides of this battery, would it be open or closed? What would it be? It would be open. Okay, so the battery has to be touched on both sides by something that conducts. Okay, so that keeps it closed. That's a closed circuit. If the wire comes loose, then it's open, like something can get through there, then it's open, then the circuit's not closed, and the electricity is not going to flow. It's going to start right here, leave the negative terminal, and then it's just going to quit. It's never going to power whatever the load is because it's not closed, okay? So it forms a loop, and it's a closed path, okay? Make sure you have both of those words on your notes. Okay. Electric circuits have to have 3 parts. We talked about this in the Brain Pop video, but I want to make sure that you go ahead and write that down. It says, the first one says blank, could be a battery, generator, or other source. So we're looking for an energy source or power source. You can list there the first thing, the first line, right, either energy source or power source. And it tells you in your note sheet, it could be a battery, a generator, or another energy source. You know what a generator is? It makes electricity, okay? Some of you may have a generator, like I live out on the mountain, and so if the power goes out, we can plug up a generator that it makes electricity for us, okay? Sort of like a mini nuclear plant, sort of. Do you have a question, Jonah? Pause for 1 second.